Hello everyone. The Mngomezulu trial has been postponed to January next year after Advocate Adv Mngomezulu told the court that he was not feeling well and he needed medical attention. A visibly unhappy Judge Rata Mokgatleng acceded to the request after Advocate Mngomezulu told the Gauteng North High Court Pretoria that he needed to consult a medical doctor. The court has heard previously that Deputy Judge President Obrile Dwaba wanted the case resolved speedily in order for other cases to be resolved. The murder trial was due to go to recess on Friday. 5 men accused, Mosika Ukalelo Spia, Bongani Ntanzi, Mthobisi Prince Mncube, Thokoziseni Maphisa, and Visokuhlenkani Ntuli are accused of murdering the Bafana Bafana and Orlando Pirates goalkeeper at the Foslera's home of his then-girlfriend Kelly Kumalo during a suspected hit. Mngomezulu was murdered over 9 years ago in October 2014, while accused were only charged with his murder 6 years later in October 2020, after a crack team of cold case unit officers led by Brigadier Bongani Gininda linked them with the case. The court had to adjourn with Gininda under cross-examination by defense advocate Mngomezulu, who had attempted to force an earlier adjournment on Wednesday, but Judge Rata Mokgatleng, who was presiding over the matter, shot it down and ordered him to continue with his cross-examination. Advocate Mngomezulu later told Judge Mokgatleng that he's interfering in his cross-examination as the two clashed during the proceedings on Wednesday. During proceedings on Thursday morning, Judge Mokgatleng gave Advocate Mngomezulu a short adjournment to allow him to get his paperwork in order, but the short adjournment later turned into a prolonged adjournment, only for the matter to be stood down in its entirety. Advocate Mngomezulu stated that, "My Lord, we have discussed with my colleagues regarding the situation. I have indicated to them that I'm not feeling well and needed to consult a doctor." State Advocate George Baloyi said they had no option but to accede to the request and adjourn the matter until January 22, 2024, and told the court that Mr. Mngomezulu has advised the court that he is not feeling well. For that reason, we are unable to continue. He says he will be feeling okay next year, January. For those reasons, this court has no choice but to postpone this matter until next year. In a dig at Mngomezulu, Judge Mokgatleng said to Mngomezulu, "Can you see that yesterday I was not interfering? You are not feeling well." The court is currently in a trial within a trial to determine if the alleged confessions made by Sibia and Ntanzi were made freely and voluntarily. The trial will resume on 22 January 2024. Sending prayers to Advocate Mngomezulu. Hopefully next year he will be healed. Meanwhile, a prison warder has opened a case of assault against some of the accused in the Mngomezulu murder trial after a scuffle on Monday. A clash over decorum in the courtroom took place between some of the accused and a warden shortly after the tea break in the Pretoria High Court on Monday. Apparently, the accused stood and stretched during the break as per usual, but after a few minutes, the warden saw one of the accused, Thokoziseni Maphisa, accused number 3, sitting on top of the bench and asked him not to do so. A physical scuffle briefly ensued between the warden and the 3 of the 5 accused. Gauteng police confirmed that a case of common assault has been opened at Pretoria Central Police Station and investigations are underway. Judge Rata Mokgatleng, who was presiding over the matter, was informed of the altercation when the sitting resumed, hearing from the defense teams, the prosecution, and the warden. Addressing all, the judge advised them to use words to resolve disagreements and stated, "This fighting like in our parliament, we don't need that. Ubuntu. If we are all not satisfied with the conduct, the warden or the accused, you can resolve that by speaking, not fighting." The Department of Correctional Services said it was looking into the matter. It condemned the incident and said such utter disrespect will not be tolerated. The department is looking into the incident. Correctional officials rendering escort and guarding responsibilities do so on behalf of the state. Hence, any form of unbecoming behavior warrants a security review to ensure the safety of those in closer proximity to the inmates. We are now moving on to Muzika Ukalelwa Sibiya, accused number 1. The drug case against Senzo Meyiwa murder accused Muzika Ukalelwa Sibiya has been postponed to December 12 due to the magistrate's ill health. Sibiya appeared before the Tembisa Magistrates Court on Friday for adjournment in his drug and ammunition case. He was arrested in May 2020 and charged for allegedly dealing in drugs and possession of ammunition. Presiding over the postponement, Magistrate Majapelo said the matter will only be heard once the magistrate returns to court. Speaking to the media outside, National Prosecuting Authority spokesperson Phindi Mjonondwana said it was unfortunate the judgment could not proceed, and said, "Unfortunately, we received news that the presiding officer is not feeling well, so they are not at work today. The conviction is the prerogative of the court after it has considered all evidential material, but we believe that we have placed sufficient evidence as the state." The Pretoria High Court hearing the Meyiwa trial previously had that when Sibiya was arrested for the drug dealing case, he allegedly confessed to the gruesome murder of the late Bafana Bafana and Orlando Pirates goalkeeper. However, his lawyer, Adv Mngomezulu, has argued that he and another accused, Bongani Ntanzi, were assaulted and coerced into confessing. The confessions were scrutinized in the trial within the Meyiwa trial, seeking to determine admissibility. That's it for today. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.